Welcome to Farnworth. We're here to look at this light industrial commercial premises, which has previously been used as Molyneux Engineering UK Limited quite successfully for a number of years. As you can see, it's built in brick. We have got double doors which can open out for vehicle access. And the property is offered for sale via auction with no further upward chain delay. We set pretty much in the heart of Farnworth, easily placed for the motorway network, the town centre of Bolton and Farnworth. And locally, as you go through these gates, there's other industrial units and commercial buildings just nearby. It's this particular one we're looking at. So as we have got a roller shutter door which leads into the office space. The building is alarmed. I can verify that works. And this is the office space. So it's like a reception desk, really. And then as we go through this door, the no entry staff only door, no entry to unauthorised persons doors, we're into the space. Been used for engineering, but it may well suit a variety of different uses. This is the other side of the double doors, or the vehicle doors on there, so in theory they could open up and you could perhaps run a vehicle in. There is a mezzanine space up there, and I'll detail all the measurements as per the local authority ratings. It runs through to the back here. There's a pipe that's just dripping there, that just coming down, as you can see. And as we go through, we've got the wash hand basin and the WC just on that side. Lots and lots of useful space, would suit a variety of industries and uses. You can see up on the roof on there. And then as we go through here, there's just a bit more sort of kitchenette. Just pop that on. Kitchenette, staff room type space, cloak space. Yeah, somewhere to have your lunch and have a brew. These light industrial units, smaller industrial premises, don't tend to come to the market too often, really. So this is a bit of a unique opportunity. Yes, as you can see, there's bits and pieces of work required, but this would be perhaps perfect for somebody to buy and operate their own business from, or maybe even buy in a pension fund, perhaps, and then maybe you could rent it to yourself. All just thoughts. I would expect a fair bit of interest in this. And as I say, the property will be sold via auction. To make an appointment to view, please call Cardwell's on 01204 381 281, 204 381 281. And offers should be submitted to our auction partner, which is Pugh & Co. Thank you so much.